Good morning, dear students. Good morning, dear students. Am I audible?
Good morning, sir. Yes, sir. Audible.
Okay, thank you. So, welcome to design and analysis of algorithms. So, we are making some discussions on dynamic programming, in particularly the knapsack problem. Okay. So, we have solved the problem what we have considered yesterday. Okay. The step 1, step 2 is over. Step 3 is also over. So up to step 3, we have made some discussions here. So we'll continue this problem from step 4 onwards. Shall we continue, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So give your focus, give your attention. So now we shall continue our discussion with step 4. Okay. So with step 4. Okay. And now we have inserted the item. Already we have inserted an item. So which item we have inserted? In the previous case, we have inserted item. This is what we have inserted in the previous class. So what is that item? What we have inserted yesterday? Which item we have inserted yesterday? Dear students, I am pointing it. Which item we have inserted into the knapsack yesterday? Dear students, I am asking you something. Can you respond? Kindly respond, otherwise unnecessary delay will occur. Dear students, can you kindly respond to me which item we have inserted yesterday?
Item 1.
Item 1 we have inserted. So now the next item to be inserted is which one?
Item 2.
Item 2 we have to insert. So what is the weight of item 2?
1.
What is the profit of item 2?
10.
10. So in this case, we have to replace these twos with what we have to write here? Clear ಬರಿಬೇಕಪ್ಪ WI ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. WI means W2. What is W2?
1.
1.
1.
So we have to write 1 here. Okay. And so the J, once again, it varies from 1 to 5. Okay. Next, we have to find out V of I comma J. So I equals we have to find out V of I comma J. I equals
2.
So here everywhere we have to replace 1 by 2. So 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 5. Okay, fine, understood?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now carefully look here. Ellaru ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Now we have here, this is case 2 and this is case 3. So we have Wi and we have J here. We have Wi and J here and we have Wi and J here. So this will fit to which case? 1 and 1.
Case 3.
Because nodi Wi is 1, Wi is 1 less than or equal to J value. J value is also 1. So 1 is equals to 1. So that is why case 3 will fit here. So case 3 means what? Once again. So case 3 andaga ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ we have to write this one. This formula we have to write. So V of I comma J is equals to, so now we have to write it. So here in order formula max of ready V of I minus 1. What is I? I minus 1 means ready V of I minus 1. I is equals to 2. 2 minus 1 is, come on, take a second. Hey, 1. This is 1. Okay. Next, J value is here. It is 1.
1.
Okay. Comma V of I minus 1. Matte V of I minus 1. Matte 2 minus 1 is 1. Comma J minus Wi. Comma what is J?
1.
1 minus 1.
0.
0 plus Pi. What is Pi?
10.
10. Okay. So now ivaga is equals to max of V of 1 comma 1. Nodi V of 1 comma 1. How much value?
0.
0. 0 is 0. Comma V of 1 comma 0. V of 1 comma 0 is once again
0.
0. So plus 10. So 0 comma 10, which is maximum?
10.
So 10 is the V of 2 comma 1. Similarly, we have to find out V of 2 comma 2. So once again, it fits to which category? This is 1, this is 2. Case 2 or case 3?
Case 3.
Case 3 because 1 is less than or equal to 2. 1 means Wi. J means 2. 1 less than or equal to 2. So once again, this formula has to be placed. So it equals to max of V of I minus 1. That is I is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. 1 comma J. J is 2. Same. Comma V of I minus 1. Once again, I means 2. 2 minus 1 is, this is also 1. 1 comma J minus Wi. J minus Wi. J is 2. 2 minus 1. How much?
1.
1. So this is also 1 plus the profit. The profit is 10. So we have 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2. It is how much? What is 1? 2. How much?
12.
12. So this is 12. Comma. We have 1 comma 1. We have 1 comma 1 is 0. 0 plus 10. So at one end we have 12, at another end we have 10. Which is maximum?
12.
So 12 is maximum. So we will retain 12 as it is. Next, we shall go to the third here. V of 2 comma 3. So V of 2 comma 3 once again. Wi is 1, J is 3. Fits to which category?
Case 3.
Case 3 because 1 is less than or equal to 3. 1 is less than or equal to 3. So once again, this formula has to be placed here. So V of I minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 comma 3, comma V of, next, I minus 1 is once again 1. Next, J minus Wi. J minus Wi. 3 minus 1. How much? 3 minus 1, how much?
2.
This is 2. Okay, so 3 minus 1 is 2. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಾರ I have to change. Dear students, are you comfortable with this? ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is we have 1 comma 1. So this is 1 comma 2 plus the profit. The profit is 10. 1 minute, I will come back. Okay, dear students. So this is 10. This is 10. So substitute the values now. V of 1 comma 3. V of 1 comma 3. How much? 1 comma 3 is to
12.
so this is 12. This is 12 comma next to the right. V of 1 comma 2. V of 1 comma 2 is to
12.
ಮತ್ತೆ 12. So this is 12 plus x of V of 1 comma 3 is 12 comma V of 1 comma 2 is also 12 plus profit, that is 10. So one kade 12 ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ 12 plus 10, that is 22 ಇದೆ. Which one we have to take?
22.
So 22 is the maximum. So this will become 22. Okay. Similarly, we shall go for we have 2 comma 4. So once again 1 and 4 are there. So case 2 or case 3. 1 less than or equal to 4. So that is why it fits to case 3 because Wi less than or equal to J, because 1 is less than or equal to 4. Case 3 will be taken. So once again we have 2 comma 4 is equals to V of, so I minus 1. I is equals to 2. 2 minus 1 is 1 comma 4 and this is 1 comma 2. plus 10 because profit is 10. So is equals to V of 1 comma 4. 1 comma 4, how much?
12.
12. So this is 12 comma V of 1 comma 2 is also 12 plus the profit 12. Once again, the value now becomes how much? Maximum value is
22.
20. Similarly, the final one, that is 1 comma 5. 1 is less than or equal to 5. 1 is less than or equal to 5. So case 3 will be taken. So once again, this is 1 comma 5. This is 1 comma 5. And this is 1 comma j minus wi. Alva. J minus wi antadre. J is 5. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, 4. So this is 4, this is 3 I think. Because 4 minus 1 is 3. Because 1 comma 3 is also 12. So we go that. Okay, fine. We have 1 comma 5. 1 comma 5. The value is 12. Comma, we have 1 comma 4. 1, 4. Once again, the value is 12. The profit is 10. Once again, the value becomes 10. ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you replace all these values. V of 2 comma 1 is, this is 2 comma 1. The value is 10. Next, 2 comma 2, the value is 12. 2 comma 3, the value is 22. 2 comma 4, the value is 22. 2 comma 5, once again the value is 20. So now the remaining 2 rows we have to fill. Yes, Atakadya. Atakadya.
Yes, sir.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. Okay, so item 2 has been successfully inserted. 2 items insertion ಆಯ್ತು. ಒಂದು item number 1, second one is item number 2. Next item to be inserted is
Item 3.
I is equals to
3.
I is equals to
3.
3. So what is the weight of item 3?
3.
What is the profit?
20.
20. Fine. Now, so in this case, WI, you have to replace all the ones by by
3.
3. Fine. Now the J remains once again 1 to 5, no problem. And now this value we have to replace. So this is 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5. So 3 comma 1 is equals to max of V of once again Wi is there, J is there. Wi is there and J is there. So it fits to which category? Case 2 or case 3? Three and 1. 3 is greater than 1 or 3 is less than 1? So you have to find out among these two. Come on. Case 2 or case 3? 3, 1. 3 is greater than 1 or 3 is less than or equal to 1. Yes, students? Are you there? Can you respond? It fits to which category? Case 2 or case 3? Hello? Yes, students? I am audible? Hello? Yes, students, I am audible? Yes, students, I am audible? Yes, students, I am audible?
Yes,
Okay.
sir, audible.
Now, just you tell me, this particular fits to which category? 3, 1. Yes, 2, because 3 is greater than 1, Wi. Wi 3 is greater than J, 3 is greater than 1. So this formula has to be replaced. That is V of I minus 1, comma J. So is equals to V of I minus 1. I is equals to 3. 3 minus 1 is 2, comma J. J value is 1. Because J value is 1. So what is V of 2 comma 1? 2 comma 1. What is the value? What is the value of 2 comma 1? 2 comma 1 value estappa. Yes, students. 2 comma 1, what is the value? I am audible or not? Hello?
10, sir.
10. Fine. Next, we shall go to J is equals to 2. That is, the remaining capacity J is 2 now. Now, once again, identify the relationship case 2 or case 3.
Case 2.
Case 2 because 3 is greater than 2. So now we have I minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 comma 2. What is V of 2 comma 2? 2 comma 2. What is the value?
12.
12. Very good. Fine. Next, we shall go to J is equals to 3, remaining capacity 3. Now it fits to which category? Case 2 or case 3?
Case 3.
Because less than or equal to 3 is less than or equal to 3 is equal to 3. So that is why case 3 will fit. Once again, we have to write the formula now. Max Okay, max of b of I minus 1, max of b of I is equals to 3, 3 minus 1 is 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3, okay, comma b of I minus 1, b of I minus 1, b of I minus 1, once again I minus 1 value is 2, okay, comma j minus wi, j minus wi, 3 minus 3, what is the value? 3 minus 3 value is to
0.
0 plus profit. What is the profit in this case? Profit is to this is the profit. Experimentally. Now, those are how much profit?
Twenty.
20. Okay. So, now you have started there. B of 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3. What is the value? 2 comma 3 is to
22.
22. Comma. B of 2 comma 0. 2 comma 0. What is the value?
0.
0 plus 20. So one correct 22 is there, one correct 20 is there, which is maximum.
22.
So 22 will be the outcome. Next, we shall go to this one, 3 comma 4. So 3 comma 4, once again, it fits to which category? Case 2 or case 3? Which category? Which category? Yes. ಯಾವ category ಸಂಬಂಧಪಡುತ್ತೆ?
Case 3.
Case 3 ಸಂಬಂಧಪಡುತ್ತೆ because 3 less than or equal to 4. So once again, I minus 1, max of I minus 1, I is equals to 2, 3, 2 minus 4, comma, V of I minus 1, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, J minus WI, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3, what is the value? 4 minus 3 is 1 plus profit. Profit is 20 because item 3 we are inserting. So now V of 2 comma 4. V of 2 comma 4. How much the value? 2 comma 4 is the value?
22.
22 comma 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1. What is the value?
10.
10. 10 plus 20 because we have to add that to profit. So max. So 22 is there, 30 is there. Which is the maximum value?
30.
30. Okay. Next 3 comma 5. It fits to which category? Case 2 or case 3?
Case 3.
Case 3.
Because 3 is less than or equal to 5. So now find out the values. So V of 3 comma, 3 comma 1, that is 2 comma 5. Next, V of I minus 1, that is 2 minus J minus WI. J is 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is, and the profit is 20 because we are inserting third item into the knapsack. So we have 2 comma 5 is to 2, 5. What is the value? 2 comma 5 is the value? 2, 5. Value is 2. Yes,
22.
students, why you guys are not answering today? Yes, students, I am asking you something. 2 comma 5, what is the value?
22.
22. Okay. 2 comma 2. 2 comma 2. What is the value? Is 12 plus 20. So at one end we have 22, at another end we have 32. Which is the maximum? 32 will be the maximum. So now we have to write all these values into the table. We have 3 comma 1, 3 comma 1 is 10, 3 comma 2 is 12, then we have 22, then we have 30, then we have 32. So now we have to insert the last item, that is item 4 into the knapsack. Any doubts here? Yes, students, why you guys are not answering today? ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಇವತ್ತು?
Understood, sir.
Okay, next item 4 we have to insert. The fourth item we have to insert into the knapsack. So now the fourth item we have to take into account. Okay, so this is P3. This is W3. So W4, fourth item, and this is profit. Okay, so now I have to replace 3 with what? What I have to write here? What is the weight of fourth item?
4.
Sorry, item, this is item 4.
Two.
Weight ಎಷ್ಟು?
2.
So we have to write 2 here. And J varies from 1 to 5. And we have to evaluate now. Four comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4, and 4 comma 5. We have to evaluate it. Okay. Now just take 2 and 1. It fits to which category? Case 2 or case 3?
Case 2.
Case 2, fine. So that is because 2 is greater than 1, Wi greater than J. So we have I minus 1. I is equals to 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. J value is 1. So what is 3 comma 1? 3 comma 1 is 2. 3 comma 1 ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. 3 comma 1 how much? Today you guys are not interested, I think, class. Direct ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, I will stop my class as early as possible within 5 minutes. Kindly respond. What is 3 comma 1?
10.
10. Fine. Next, we have to find out. We have 4 comma 2. So now we have to weight is 2 and the remaining capacity is J 2. So which fits case 2 or case 3?
Case 3.
Case 3 because 2 is equals to 2. So is equals to max of V of I minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3, comma J. J value is 2, comma V of 3 because I minus 1, J minus Wi, 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. plus profit. What is the profit? 15. Okay, so substitute madi max of 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2. What is the value?
12.
12 comma 3 comma 0. 3 comma 0. What is the value?
0.
Plus 15. So we have 12 and we have 15. Which is the maximum?
15.
15 will be the maximum. So next we shall go to the remaining capacity 3. That is we have 4 comma 3. So we have 2 and 3. 2 and 3 once again it belongs to case 3. So we have to find out we have 3 comma 3 and so I minus 1 once again 3 comma j minus wi. J is 3, v minus 2 is 1 and the profit is 15. So substitute the values. Substitute the values 3 comma 3. 3 comma 3. What's the value?
22.
22 comma 3 comma 1. 3 comma 1 value is
10.
10 plus the profit 15. We have 22 and we have 35. Which is the maximum?
35.
12, 10, 15, 27, 8, 22. Okay, 3 comma 1. 3 comma 1 is 10. 3 comma 1 is 10. So we have 25 answer dala. Correct? 25 Serena?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, we have 4 comma 4. It fits to case 3 because 4 is equals to 4. So now this will become 3 comma 4 and this one becomes 3 comma j minus wi. 4 minus 2 is 2 and plus 15. Okay. So substitute the values 3 comma 4. What is the 3 for 3 comma 4 is 3 comma 4. What is the value?
30.
30 comma 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2. What is the value?
12.
12 plus profit. That is 15. Okay. So at one end we have 30. At another end we have 27, I think. Howdalva? So which is the maximum?
30.
So 30 will be the maximum. So next, final value, we have 4 comma 5, we have to find out. Once again, it fits to case 3. So we have 3 comma 5 and we have 3 comma j minus wi, 5 minus 2, that is 3. Okay, 3 comma 5, inside 3 comma 3 plus the profit, that is 15. So find out the value. Or I last value ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಿ. Is equals to max of 3 comma 5 is to 3 comma 5. Is the value?
32.
32 comma 3 comma 3 is to
22.
22 plus profit 15. So how much?
37.
37. Okay. Okay. So now you substitute all the values 10, 15, 25, 30, 37. Okay. So this is the solution. Okay. So V of V of m, I mean n comma m is equal to V of n means number of items 4, m means capacity of the knapsack 5. It is 4 comma 5, which is equals to how much? Okay, ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ. It's given that, but ಹೇಳ shall I dictate?
Yes, sir.
It is given that n is equals to 4, n is equals to 4 and m is equals to 5 and m is equals to 5. Therefore optimal solution V of n comma m is equals to V of 4 comma 5. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. V of n comma m is equals to V of 4 comma 5 is equals to 37 is the optimal solution. 37 is the optimal solution. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ algorithm ಬರೆಸಬೇಕು. algorithm ಬರೆಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎನಿ ಕ್ವೆರೀಸ್, ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್, ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮೀ. No doubts?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, I request all of you to kindly give your attendance through the chat box. So we shall stop here and we'll continue in our next class. Thank you so much for joining Design and Analysis of Algorithms.